Now I'm going to talk to you specifically about men's plastic frames. Plastic frames are probably the hottest thing in the optical market right now, just because of what all the designers have been able to do with the plastic frames. You'll notice that a lot of these frames are going to be not necessarily on the men's side, but you will find a little bit of different coloring. You've got more of a, almost kind of a clear gray, crystal, down to your black. This one in particular has a kind of a khaki backing to it, or maybe more of a bone backing to it. So the designers have been a little bit more colorful and been a little bit more, advancing their style a little bit more through the plastic frames. Plastic frames are also known as Xyle frames, so you'll hear those two words used interchangeably. Traditionally, in addition to the style, in addition to the way they look, patients are going to choose a plastic frame when their lenses are really thick. Okay, if they have a higher prescription, plastic frames are going to hide the lens thickness without necessarily having the patient have to go into a thinner lens. Some patients wear contact lenses for the most part because their prescriptions are so high, and then want to choose a Xyle or plastic frame so that they can hide some of that edge thickness. So that's a really good option to get a nice pair of designer glasses without having to spend the excess in the lens cost. And that is men's plastic frames.